Are you tired of credit struggles, loan denials, and missed financial opportunities? Imagine a world where you fix your credit on autopilot while you secure funding and build wealth. That's exactly what ScoreUp RiseUp is here to help you do. ScoreUp RiseUp is more than just credit repair. It's a financial empowerment system designed to help you build generational wealth by removing negative items from your credit report, establishing and growing your business credit, securing high-limit funding for your business or personal needs, accessing exclusive income-generating opportunities. Join a thriving community of like-minded individuals who are building wealth together, and partnerships that help you thrive. Our proven system guides you every step of the way, whether you prefer a do-it-yourself approach or want our experts to handle everything for you. With our packages, you get full credit repair through our partners, personal and business funding strategies, mentorship, and step-by-step guidance. Lifetime access to wealth-building programs. No more confusion, no more roadblocks, just real solutions that work. Thousands of people just like you have used ScoreUp RiseUp to repair their credit, secure funding, and create financial freedom. Now it's your turn. Take the first step today. Join ScoreUp RiseUp and start your journey to financial success. Visit www.scoreupriseUp.com to begin now.
Needed these tires out the blue, and I'm just so thankful to have ScoreUp RiseUp to give me the ability to get this done.
How much they supposed to be paying you?
$50,000. Thank you
Hi.
so much, Mr. Goodwin.
Oh, thank you.
Learn to work harder on yourself than you do on your job. That's the simple philosophy that changed my life forever starting age 20.